5 essential dumbbell exercises for huge arms. Been wanting to get arms that would fill up your tees to brim? We thought so. This video is your key to getting huge arms. Today, we will be going over essential dumbbell exercises that will stimulate your arms' muscles growth and give you arms that really pop. Aside from working your biceps, you'll also need to fully engage your triceps. The incline bicep curl is an example of a bicep exercise, while the tate press is a tricep exercise. Want to know how to perform them? Keep watching this video then, as we will be walking you through these 5 dumbbell exercises. Number 1. Incline bicep curl. Incline bicep curl isolates the biceps, thus stopping other muscles from sharing the load. You can also opt to work the entire muscle by turning your wrists out slightly and keeping your elbows pointed towards the floor throughout the rep. To do this exercise, sit on an incline bench and hold a dumbbell in each hand at arm's length. Using your biceps, curl the dumbbell until it reaches your shoulder. Lastly, lower them back down to your side and repeat. Number 2. Twisting dumbbell curl. Adding a twist will compel your forearm to work. This exercise won't hit your biceps as hard as the other arm exercises do. However, when you're pressed for time, this is perfect, as it will hit more of your arm in less time. Begin by holding a dumbbell in each hand at your side with your palms facing each other. Curl the dumbbells up to your shoulder using your biceps. Do this alternately. As you lift the dumbbells, twist your palms to face your chest. Slowly lower them back down to your side and repeat. Number 3. Prone dumbbell spider curl. The best thing about lying against a bench is that it aids you in mastering the proper curling technique. Keeping your chest flat for every rep is the right way. To start, lie on an incline bench with a dumbbell in each hand. Allow them to hang underneath your shoulders. Next, curl the dumbbells towards your shoulders using your biceps. Finally, slowly go back to the initial position and repeat. Number 4. Seated one-arm tricep extension. This exercise not only makes your arms bigger, but also builds your arm strength and boosts stability to your elbows and shoulders. To do it, hold a dumbbell in one hand directly behind your head. Your elbow must be bent and pointed towards the ceiling. Then extend through your elbow until your arm is straight and the dumbbell is directly above you. Lower your arm back and repeat. Number 5. Tate press. This move puts more emphasis on the long head of the triceps. It's great in adding more definition to your triceps. Start by lying on a bench and holding 2 dumbbells directly above your shoulders. Slowly bend your elbows, bringing the dumbbells to your chest. This should make your palms face outward and the dumbbells pointing towards the ceiling. Finally, raise the dumbbells back to the original position and repeat. Which among those 5 exercises do you think are the easiest for you? And the hardest? Share your answers below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.